we change forecast from its original values, especially if we have a multiple team of people working on the forecast, we would want to have a track of all the changes alongside with the possibility to add comments that will justify the change. And this is all possible with this visual. So for instance, let's say that we want to change this figure from 8,000 to 15,000. So let's say we want to change this to 15,000. And we also want to change this figure from 600 to 5,000. Okay, so we have two changes. We will commit them. And then we want to comment it. So we want to say that this increase was due to a new listing in low segment. And we want to say that this change comes from, if we double click on the cell, we will receive this comment box input. And we want to say that this is coming from action percent discount in Jan. Okay, after we confirm those two changes, we can see that we have this toggle changes and comments. If we toggle this on, we will immediately see those changes in the visual. If we hover over the visual, we would see what was the value before we commit the change. And if we hover over the small triangle in the upper right corner, we will see what is the comment behind this change. These comments can also be seen in the visuals. So if we hover over any visual coming natively from Power BI, for instance, this visual, we can see that this January has two comments. So there is an action percent discount in January, and there is a new listing in low segment. And basically, you can see that if we hover any other visual on January, we can see the same comments. So we can combine comments that you enter inside of this custom visual, and you can immediately see those comments with regarding the filter context. So extremely useful feature, and it's all available within the Power BI Writeback Planner custom visual.